up, guys? So we're back with Abdulla now. We're gonna do the Flex Fuel Kit.
What up?
Alright, so what are we doing today, bro?
Flex fuel. Last week we did, 2 weeks ago we did the high volume intake. Before that, shout out to Tony Matthew. I got his catalyst downpipe from PRL, and now it's PRL Flex Fuel. So PRL everything. Down or front pipe and intercooler is a must, but I think we're gonna hold off on that till we get wheels and lower the car, because it's a monster truck right now. According to
I did it too, but I don't have to video.
I mean, I could probably fit the whole GoPro setup in there.
Mostly. And just erasing the tune right now and uploading a new one. Hopefully it all goes well, because last time it gave us a little bit of problems.
The funnest shit to do is
It looks good right now. This
I have no idea how you do that.
Roll away. Come in there. And then clippity clip clap. Let me just please.
Don't even let him start
Dude,
it.
it's so low, bro. I gotta like corner everything. So
He don't know. He don't know how to drive.
Bro,
Bro,
he
be scraping this one.
You got a wobble on there?
Dude's going hard.
Down there by the radiator at the bottom, there's a connector like this. Obviously it's connected. I don't know if it's blue or not, but it's skinny like this. So you gotta unplug it,
Make sure it's not the
and then plug this one in. That's at the very bottom of the radiator.
Nah.
Sorry, I thought I heard DeSoto.